Welcome to our video on the power of the law of attraction and the benefits of visualization. In this short but insightful discussion, we'll explore how these practices can transform your life and help you manifest your desires. Let's dive in. Main points. 1. The law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, and our thoughts and beliefs influence what we attract into our lives. By directing our thoughts towards what we desire, we can manifest positive outcomes and experiences. 2. The power of visualization. Visualization is a practice that involves creating vivid mental images of our desired goals and experiences. By engaging our imagination and incorporating sensory details, we tap into the creative power of our minds and set the stage for manifesting our desires. 3. Clarifies goals. Visualization brings clarity and focus to our goals. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes, we define specific objectives and direct our energy and efforts in the right direction. 4. Boosts motivation. Visualization acts as a powerful motivator. When we visualize success, we ignite excitement and enthusiasm, fueling our actions and propelling us forward, even in the face of challenges. 5. Enhances belief and confidence. Visualization strengthens our belief in ourselves and the attainment of our goals. By repeatedly visualizing success, we develop a deep sense of confidence and self-assurance, increasing our chances of taking bold actions and seizing opportunities. 6. Creates a positive mindset. Visualization cultivates a positive mindset by focusing our subconscious mind on possibilities and opportunities. This shift in mindset opens up new avenues for growth and success. 7. Activates the reticular activating system, RAS. Visualization activates the reticular activating system, heightening our awareness of relevant opportunities and resources. This increased awareness allows us to make better decisions and seize favorable circumstances. 8. Enhances problem-solving skills. Visualization stimulates creativity and problem-solving abilities. By visualizing overcoming obstacles and finding innovative solutions, we train our minds to think outside the box and navigate challenges effectively. Thank you for joining us in exploring the power of the law of attraction and the benefits of visualization. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires, manifesting a life of abundance and fulfillment. Embrace the incredible creative power of your mind and start attracting the life you truly desire. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. Wishing you success and happiness on your journey.